There, now that I got everything tore off, I gotta fix what we destroyed at Turf Wars in Appleton. Hold on. Appleton, Minnesota, we happen to run into a guardrail. So, just a little bowed, so we're gonna try to bend that back out of it. Alright, fix the bowl. Made my half-assed little rig here. Go over by a lot and hope to God we get some up close. Very fucking high-tech. And I'm gonna call that good enough. I don't know how we did that, but fucking close enough for me. So we're gonna take the heads off. I wanted to change these gaskets because they're pretty sure they're shot. They've been fucking replaced a million times. Base gasket has been leaking, sucking air in. I pressure checked it. All you can see is bubbles all the way along. So I think that's why it ran like crap last year. So now we're gonna tear all that apart. All right, I got that all apart. The only reason I took it apart is basically it was leaking. I probably could reuse that one because it's one of them rubber coated metal ones, except for this time we'll just put sealant all around the edges. Nothing looks bad, which I'm happy to see. Just got to get all the coolant I leaked in there out. And throw it all back together. Clean it up. Might even paint it. I think we're going to make this black. I don't know about those, but I'll clean this all up so it looks better. Alright, so there's an update. Didn't think I was going to go this far, but we tore everything completely apart now. I'll clean all this up. As you can see, I powder coated them. So we're going to do all of it black. That way it doesn't look all dirty and gross. But that was today's project. Turned out all apart. Everything looks fairly good. But when it looks like this, nice. So it's an update on that. I'm going to bed because I haven't been to bed yet. I work third shift this week, so that's enough for today. Watch to see more prep for Hub City. There we go, all back together. Hopefully right. That black looks way better than dirty old cast. Nobody liked that before anyways, but sauce, flanges gotta go on yet. Need to figure out how I'm gonna do my coolant lines. Got an idea, might work. We're gonna put it all back in the frame before it gets powder coated again. I wanna relocate. Ignition, I believe, is not gonna go in this area anymore, but it might. Coolant lines are gonna get run different, and that's about it. So yeah, and now Hub City is not the first one anymore. Actually, it's like Fairchild, Wisconsin or something is now the first one, May 4th. So back-to-back weekends, and I actually get to use paddle tires for this one. So we'll find out how this is gonna go. Never have to use paddles around here.